So today I'll be showing you how to mute Instagram story sound, or how to mute the sound on an Instagram story. So whether you're posting a pre-recorded video, so for instance, if you come here and then select a pre-recorded video like this one, you can hear it has sound. There's one light there, a cover to shield this light from reflecting on my working desk. So if you want to mute that sound, just tap on this little sound icon here. That's going to mute the original sound from the video. And then now you can continue posting that Instagram story. Now the same goes for when you're recording an Instagram story in real time. So maybe when you come here and you want to record an Instagram story. So let's record something. So that is my Xiaomi camera and my plant. So let's say that's the Instagram story you want. You can hear it has sound. And my plant. Something. So that is my Xiaomi. So if I want to mute the original sound from the video, again, I'll tap on this icon here. This one right here. That's the one I use to mute and unmute. And my plant. Something. That is my shop. Okay, and then you can continue posting your Instagram story. But that is basically how to mute the sound on Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.